Hello, welcome again. Continue in scenario. So scenario theme number 3, sustainability. So this scenario uh, theme practically recognizes the UN's SDG as important drivers for 6G. But the approach is very responding to increased environmental awarenesses uh, requires changes in culture and practices, and has been accompanied by polarization of view. So hypermilitary hypermilitary economic, technological and culture powers have been overlapping uh, ex, uh, extreme threat and hybrid influence. So in the sustainability scenario theme, the horizontal dimension represented power configuration, and the vertical axis represent sustainability development. So the polar dimension upside to the power configuration axis area are centralized power and nodal configuration. And the end of the sustainability dimension are the redefinition of the uh, economy, and it is upside stagnation. So starting with the GAIA 3A. So in GAIA scenario, sustainability is driven by the definition of the economy, and our configuration is polynodal world focused. So environmental awareness among people has increased and resulted in corresponding actions. So justification with the current measures taken with respect to climate change and biodiversity has motivated a growing number of people to voice their opinions and participate in a demonstration. So in addition to government, other players such as a business, lobbyists, think tanks, interaction, uh, institution and sites. So acts organization play a significant role in this. In the 6G enable real-time economy, all the transaction between business entities are digital format, generated automatically and completed as their offshore without store and forward processing. So in innovating to zero the cost of renewable energy and storage is a feeling, because energy production will also become increasingly decentralized as more and more people produce their own energy and sell what they do not need. So in the critical circular economy, production and consumption are planned in a way that prevents waste from being uh, from being from being generated, while materials and their value remain in crystals via sharing, listening, repair, and result. So, uh, in multi-local local scenario, sustainability is a destination driven, and power configuration is a polynodal word focus. That means a shift has happened in a global politic from a multipolar to a polynodal world. The geopolitical power bulk blocks the USA, Europe, and China give away to a networked world with nodes comprising country emerging economies, cooperation, and other non-state actors. And the fragmentation of the economy, transformation of work, and new organization models of the sharing and platform economy have challenged the traditional relationship between the employer and employee and what the benefit are. So working life is becoming increasingly diverse, and there is an emphasizing on ensuring people's livelihood and compensation building. So in other way, the 3D printing allows many products to be manufacturing at home or in the neighborhood. So moving to dystopia, 3S sustainability by stringation and centralized power configuration. So in this scenario, sustainability is extinction driven and power configuration is centralized power focused. So we continue to inhabit a contribution culture in which natural is seen as a free resources that we use as we wish. So the wealth generated by economic growth is not a distributed sustainability and is contracted in the hands of sharking military. So uh, we can do future prospected the fragmentation of the political map and the polarizing effort of the social of the social efforts of social media have led to rise in populism, which emphasizing the division between the elites and the masses. So the benefits of internationalism are not acknowledgement because they are considered to indirected, and it is negative aspect are emphasized in the decision. So globalization has also led to an obscene reaction in the form of increasing nationalism and in emphasis in national board and favorite state correspondent. So moving for the race. So in the race scenario, sustainability is redefined economic driven, and power configuration is centralized power focused. So Organic climate and sustainability action has led to eco dictatorship and creative destruction because voluntary change in people's behavior is uh, considered so unlucky. So the population become concentrated in small number of growth center where vibrant majesty and uncorned superstate dominate innovation, addressing individual technology and the ecosystems they form. So the process of innovation competition increases since there is revolution the economic structure from within, giving time for market advantage.